You lose, so no talking.
Ambulance service, tell me what's happened. My daughter's, she's been knocked down by a car.
You almost fucking killed me, mate. Aren't you Uber drivers meant to be good? You almost killed me. John Smith, yeah? You speak English? Yeah, I guess not. Just came into college, yeah? And late as it is. So you're telling me with that whole screen you couldn't see me walking? Cool, cool. Should go any faster, mate? Gotta be there soon, I've got a test. No words. Yeah, make sure no one's walking across when you're pulling in this time, yeah? Cheers, John Smith. Got a 1 out of fucking 10.
My daughter's, she's been knocked down by a car. She conscious and breathing.
Hi, can you please drop me off at West Industrial Estate, Block 6, Building 4, please? As fast as you can, ideally. Hi, Felicity. I know I'm late. 他们都到了吗？那你就带他们去吃一些早点，然后聊一些不重要的话题。我马上就到，我已经在 Uber 里了。最多10分钟，好吧？啊，好，好，多谢，好，拜拜。Jesus， 哎呀。Do you mind if I smoke? You know what? Never mind. Cute kid you got there? Just got the one? Lucky you. I got 3 boys, that's why I'm late this morning. They just wouldn't get ready for school. Every day they're moaning about why do they have to go to school. You know what? I don't even know most of the time. I just tell them go to school, pass the exam, that's it. How old is your little girl? Okay, I guess we're not talking. Okay. Oh well. That's a interesting lack of a conversation. Thanks anyway, John. Bye.
What you doing? Thought I said no working today. Especially today. Give me a headache, man. Still need you. I've tried to get it rescheduled. It won't end well. Never does. Feeling's unstable at the best of times. It won't work. Look, it's the anniversary. Do what's said. Go home. Get some rest. But don't be late.
Is she conscious and breathing? No, she's not breathing. She's not breathing. What's her name? Can you hear me? Sir, hello? Wait.
Shut up, no talking.
Yourself, right? Alright, mate. You know where you're going, right? It's a cracking day, isn't it? Sorry, mate. I'm a little bit drunk, so I might just sit here and be quiet in the back. That's alright. You don't mind if I oh, is that your daughter? Yeah? Like I just had a baby daughter myself. Yeah, tiny little thing. So tired. Innit? It's hard work. I don't know. Oh, I'll tell you fucking what. Oh, sorry, this is a bit fresh for me, so I'm a little bit angry. My mate, my best man at my wedding, before my daughter was born, was all like, oh, yeah, I'll be there like the whole time, mate. Like, I'll be babysitting, I'll be helping you out. Second she was born, I haven't heard from him. He didn't, just blanked me now. Don't want nothing to do with me. It's pretty tough, as you know, isn't it? You know, would have been a lot easier with my mate's help, but he didn't want anything to do with me. Always be there for your friends, mate, because you don't know how much they're struggling. Oh, fuck me, mate. I'll tell you what, mate, do you mind just putting up here? Would that be alright? Cheers. Right. Cheers, man. Nice chatting with you.
go.